Ever wonder if cracking your neck is safe? Listen up, let's have a little conversation. There's two kinds of ways to have your neck adjusted. There is one that's done by a trained professional like myself as a chiropractor, and there is the other version, which is just doing it on your own and cranking your neck in various directions and hoping you get a sound. That sound, first of all, is called a joint cavitation. It is basically you have fluid in your joints, and then it is bound kind of tight by a capsule. When you open that joint up real fast, it creates a pressure change in that joint, causing a gas to release that makes that popping sound. It usually feels pretty good. The trouble can be when people are kind of viciously pushing their neck in random directions or cranking it like this and just hoping something and anything makes a noise. It does sometimes feel better. But unfortunately, that's usually correcting areas that aren't even having the problem. I call it sloppy adjusting, and I've had patients, or at least one patient in particular, that actually ended up going to the hospital because his neck got stuck. So, not the best idea. Ideally, you want to get into somebody that can help you with that and correct it in the correct way. Most of the time, there's deeper underlying issues that are going on in there that is the reason you feel like you need to keep cracking your neck if you're a self-adjuster. So trying to get the correct joints to move often makes you feel like you don't need it as much. One thing that I'm not as concerned about is if somebody's just gently stretching their neck or you're just moving around slowly and you get a little pop or noise. That's not the end of the world to me. Again, you're not doing anything too crazy, and sometimes things just open up, and that's okay. That's a little bit about the neck crack. Again, give me a call if you want. If you're someone that has either been self-adjusting, I suggest you back off, but give me a call if you are looking to get that corrected, and most likely you won't have the need to even feel like you need to do it as much. Take care.